So you want to look for it sticking out of his nose. But if you can't, you just have to let him sneeze. Hi, buddy. I don't see anything. I know, buddy. Come here, Murph. So if he stops sneezing, he's probably sneezed it out. Hey, Murph. Sit. Hey. Sit. Yeah. Sit. Hi. You okay, buddy? I don't see anything. Sometimes you'll see the tip of it sticking out, and you pull it out.
Really? But I thought you told me that it helps.
It does.
But
you can't stay there.
Okay.
So it has to come out. So we're hoping that he'll sneeze it out. It's the same process.
Okay.
Still, and when he sneezes it out, it will bleed. That's okay. It's out. It's good. And he might continue to sneeze afterward, but it's out. And you don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
And then you always let the owner know so that they know to watch out for sneezing when they get home.
Okay.
You okay, buddy? You okay? You okay? Good boy.